So there is a JupyterLab extension called JupyterLab MyST, and what that does is that adds in a new default Markdown parser using the MyST.js library. And what that does is you still get all your normal Markdown, but it adds in a bunch of directives based on MyST that allows you to do extra things inside your notebooks. The aim is to get you to the point where you could write a whole scientific paper in a notebook with support for referencing, cross-referencing, and all those things like that. So I just want to go and show you a few things. The first thing is, if you put a YAML cell at the start head of your notebook, it will render you out a nice title block, full with all sorts of things like ORCID ID, journal style headings, license codes, etc., with the links to your licenses. It also has things like the MyST admonitions and interactive bits in your Markdown cells. You can also reference your figures and then see your figures at other places in the notebook via pop-ups. That's the same for your equations and things like that. Your equations get figure numbers, and they also come in pop-ups. So you can have a long notebook and you can see things in different parts in context, which is what MyST is great at. And now you can do that all now in JupyterLab. You also have tabs and widgets, etc. The other thing that comes in is also inline evaluation. So now you have inline code evaluation in the Markdown cells, which means you can interspace numbers and variable values, etc., beside your results. They can also be IPy widgets. This is a Markdown cell where you're controlling where to position the widgets around in your text. You can have inline images in there, and you can even have these funky little spark lines that are Matplotlib generated, but you're able to also go in and plant those directly in your Markdown. And that's JupyterLab MyST. And so go and try it out, install it, and have fun.